Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Travel Restraints. We're down here at Bexley and we have got a Nissan Patrol Y62. Now, interesting with the Y62s, they only have the 3 anchor points, but they're the 3 anchor points not in the position that most parents actually want them in. And in other words, there are 2 in the middle row and there is 1 in the back. So let me show you the one in the back first. Let's open this up. Yeah, unfortunately, that's the way it's worked out. So we have to put an additional 2 points in there. The back seat's been low test. So what you've got here on this one here, you've got one in the third row, which is on the driver's side, and also you've got the ones over here, which is in the this is the driver's side middle row, okay, and you've got one where you can actually see the strap in this one here. You can see where the strap's already hooked up onto it for the middle row. So you've got 1 and you've got 2 and the third one in the back. Well, does that work for most of the people that buy these big cars? No, it doesn't, because they've got 4 children or 5. They only need 3 seats across the back here. So what we had to do is put an anchor point into the floor. And as you can see, I've already done the job. There it is down here. I've put a point there for the centerpiece, for the center seat. You can see that, can't you? Yep, one there. And I've also put one in the back row, which is over here. And as you can see, I've already established it, and there it is there. So now this car has 5 anchor points, which means 3 seats in the middle got anchor points and the 2 in the back. And that's what we're going to actually do. We're going to be putting, and with the way the configuration we're doing in this car is that we're putting a seat in the middle, the baby seat on the passenger side, and we're putting 2 other children in the back row here, allowing for room for the mother-in-law to sit in the back here. So if you've got a Nissan Patrol and you need some anchor points, well, it's doable. It does require an engineer's report, but that's what we do. We set it all up and get you moving. I'm Sam. We'll catch you on the next video.